Bismillah Rahman Rahim. Assalamu alaikum students. How are you? I hope you all are fine. Today is Thursday, 26th of August, 2021. In today's class, what we will do the same topic as we have been doing, but we will bring something new, comparing and ordering number. और we will do page number 13. आपकी बुक का जो पेज नंबर 13 है वो हम आज करेंगे. But first of all, we will get the concept with the help of video. Let's begin. What is it about? Okay, there are two students. What you can see? Yes, two children, Ali and Alia. They are students like you, and they are in schools, and they have been given a science project to collect leaves. And see, we will have to find out who has collected more. किसने ज़्यादा leaves collect किए हैं? So Alia collected 235 and Ali collected 253. So now we will compare these numbers. Okay. Okay, when we compare number, we start from the right. Yes, no, from the left. And left side, you know, this is most left number is 200 at the 100 place. And 100 place we can see both are same. 2 and 2. We don't know. We can't find that which is greater. 2 and 2 are the same. Now what we will do? अब क्या करेंगे? We will see digit given at the 10 place. Right? Next to the 100 is 5. Let's see. Right? 100 place, 2 and 2. Same. Ten place, and Alia has 3 and Ali has 5. In this way, we know that Ali has collected more leaves than Alia. So which symbol we will use? Greater than, less than, or equal to? As you can see, you know about the croco. Remember croco? Croco likes big digit, big number. It wants to eat big numbers, and big greater number is 253. Okay, and Alia has collected less number of leaves, and that's why it is less than. Alia has collected less leaf than Ali. Now, there are more two students, Aliza, Rabia, and they have been given a task to collect stickers. दोनों ने stickers जमा किए हैं. Do you like stickers? So now we will have to find that who has collected more stickers. Okay, we will find out who has collected more. Okay, Alisa has collected 342 and Rabia collected 344. Now we will have to find out who has collected more. How we will find out? कैसे पता लगेगा ये? Okay, we will try. Let's begin. As you know, how to compare numbers. कैसे compare करते हैं? Now we start from the most left digit. So they are 3 and 3 same. At the 100 place, both numbers are same. Now we will see at 10 place. At 10 place, there are the same 4 and 4. Yes, we can't find the which is bigger. Now we will come to ones place. Which is bigger, 2 or 4? Yes, 4 is bigger. It's mean Rabia has collected more sticker than Aliza, right? So 342 is less than 344. See the mouth of Croco. Now this is, do you have pocket money? Pocket money milti hai na? What do you do? Spend all? No. Yes, that's good. Save it. Yes, saving is a good habit. This is, as you can see, do you know, student, what's this? This is a penny bank. Bank होता है ना? Bank देखा है ना? जिसमें money save करते हैं. That is for elders, but for student, for children, there is a penny bank. Penny bank, in Urdu we say gulak. So it is your bank at home. So you save money. And there are two students you can see. One is smiling and another is, I think, in a sad mode. And now, one is Ali and another is Shanze. Now you will see, you will find out who has collected more money, right? Shanze has collected 546. Ali collected only 465. Now find out. Now who has collected more? At 100 place, Ali, Shanze 505 and Ali 4 at the 100 place, right? Which is bigger? That's right. Shanze has collected more because 5 is bigger than 4. That is why Shanze is very happy. 546 is greater than or less than? Yes, greater than. Croco is from Croco's mouth as 546. Thank you. Now we will come to our task, classwork. I hope you have cleared your concept about this greater than and smaller than with the help of Croco mounts. A page in your book, page number 13. First of all, write down today's date. As you know how to write date, Thursday, 26th of August, 2021. Let's begin. As in the question number 1, you can see compare number. कैसे compare करेंगे आप? You have been given, ये क्या है? ये 12. These are the tens. How many tens? 7 tens. और ये जो single है, what are these? These are ones. So count it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. These are 8. 7 tens and 8 ones. So this is 78. क्योंकि आपको पता है कि 10 ones मिला के क्या बनता है? 1 10 बनता है. 78. Now come to next. These are how many tens over here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yes, 8 tens. And how many ones? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 ones. What you will do? You will compare them. So as what we do to compare the number, we will see there is only ones and tens. So what we will see, which is bigger, from where we will start. As you watch in the video, we start from the left, most left digit. So most left digit is tens. In first question, there is 7 and another 8. So 7 is bigger than 8 or less than 8? It is, yes, less than 8. So it's mean 87 is, sorry, 78 is smaller than 87, right? Now come to B. Now we have 3-digit number, 325 and 235. How to compare? The same way we will check. First of all, we will check the most left digit. The most left digit in the purple color, what is it? It is 3, 100 place. 3, and in 235 there is 2 is at the 100 place. So 3 is bigger than 2 or less than 2? Yes, 3 is bigger than 2. So it's mean 325 is greater than 235. Question number 2. Arrange the number in order. अब order में क्या करेंगे? What you will do? Read the question carefully, right? In ordering में क्या होता है कि ordering में we have 3 numbers. 3 numbers. As you can see, 74, 47 and 77, right? And see the instruction given below. What you will do? Order में नहीं करना, सिर्फ किससे करना है? Smallest से start करना, smallest to greater. Order में जब हम करते हैं तो first we check the instruction कि start कहाँ से करना, either greatest to smaller or smallest to greater, right? So we will start from smallest. 74, 47, 77. Which is smallest? We will check. There is ones and tens only. ठीक है? Ones और tens है इसमें. तो हम क्या check करेंगे कि पहले tens most left digit check करेंगे. 7, 4, 7. 7 and 7 are equal, and 4 is less than. So it's mean the smallest digit is 47. अब क्या चेक करेंगे? 74, 77 में ones place, 1 place 4 and 7. Which is smallest? 4. 47, 74, and which is left? 77. Right? Now, B, 128, 124, 182. And as you can see, there are the sign, a smaller sign, right? 128, 124, first we will, these are 3-digit number. First we will see, we will check the most left digit, most left digits are the same. सब में same है, क्या है? At the 100 place, 1, 1, 1, right? So we can't find which is the smallest number, right? So what we will do, we will check the tens place, 10th place, 2, 2 and 8. So two numbers are the same, one is different. So 2 is less than 8 or greater than 8. So 2 is less than 8. 2 is less than 8, but we can't find which is the smallest. So we will see ones place. One place, both are equal. 128 and 124 are equal at the 100 place and 10 place. अब इसमें क्या करेंगे? चेक करेंगे ones. 8 or 4, which is less than 8 is less than 4 or greater than 4? Greater than. So 124 is smallest, then 128, and then 182. Now come to the question number 3. Fill in the blanks with less than or greater than. ठीक है? A 35 24. Check. You will check in the same pattern. Ones and tens. पहले tens check करेंगे हम. 3 and 2, which is greater? 3. It means 35 is greater than 24. B 58 77. 5 and 7. 5 is less than 7. So 58 is less than 77. C 145 300. क्या करेंगे इसमें? We will check 3 digit है ना, तो 100 place we will check digit at the 100 place. So 1 and 3. 1 is less than 3 or greater than 3? Less than. So 145 is less than 300. Now D 727 and 413. 3 digit number at the 100 place 7 and 4. 7 is greater than 4 or less than 4. So 7 is greater than 4. 214 224. 224. Same at the 100 place. Both digit are the same. 2. Then we will check at the tens place 1 and 4. 1 is less than 1 and 2. 1 is less than 2 or greater than 2? Yes, less than 2. So 214 is less than 224. Now the last one is 546 and 532. We will check. The most left digit is 5, which are same. So what we will do? क्या करेंगे हम? 4 tens place पे check करेंगे, compare करेंगे. Which is bigger? So 4, which is bigger or smaller? 4 and 3. So 4 is less than 3 or bigger than greater than 3? 4 is greater than 3. So it's mean 546 is greater than 532. So students, it was today's class. We finish here. But do not forget to do your homework. Today is your homework is what you will do, as you have already learned tables from 2 to 5, but what will you do? You will revise it. इसको आपने क्या करना है? Revise करना है, so that you will be good at it. Okay. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.